up, Queen Divas? So today I made some Mickey Mouse candy apples, and these are so cute. I mean, these are so precious. So I want to show you how I made these, and you can make them too. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to try a 3-1-1 recipe this time, which is this is 3 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1 cup of corn syrup. So go ahead and add 3 to 4 drops of white. You do not want to add too much white, because when you add your red color, the white will make the red turn pink. So really be careful with how many drops of white you add to this mixture. So this is the red that I use. It's Wilton's brand, and I will add the red at the end once the candy reaches 300. So go ahead and put your mixture on the stove and let it boil until your candy reaches 300. Okay, so my candy is at 300. I let the mixture cool down for no more than a minute. And now I am getting ready to add my red. Okay, so I add about 7 drops of red. And then you have to really be fast. Go ahead and stir. So you stir the mixture until it turns red. Okay, so now my mixture is red. It's time to dip. Okay, so go ahead and scrape the bottom of your apple on the side of your pot to get some of the extra candy off of the apple. Okay, go ahead and slide your apple across the pot to get rid of some of the extra candy on the bottom of your apple. Okay, this is the time you go ahead and slide down your decorative stick on top of the wooden stick. So as soon as you dip your apple, go ahead and slide that stick down into the apple. Okay, so our next step will be to add the fondant circles on the candy apple. So let's go ahead and start rolling out your fondant. Go ahead and get your small circle cookie cutter or your small fondant circle stamp cutter, and you cut out the circles and you add it on the apple. So you get your yellow fondant and you do the same thing as the white. You get your black fondant and you repeat the step. You just repeat the step with the yellow and black fondant. Okay, so you get your black fondant and you repeat the steps. You do the same thing that you done with your yellow and your white fondant. Hey guys, so I'm done here. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching my channel. And don't forget to tell your friends about my channel. Bye-bye.